Hey Coach Mike, it's Melissa, Addie's mom. I just wanted to shoot you over this quick video and show you how you can really increase the traffic to your website a little bit. So I found your website and it looks great. I love the colors and the layout. But you really want about 1,500 words of content, and I understand it's still under construction. And you can add more content and stuff like that. And actually, pictures count as content as well in Google's eyes, as long as you save them correctly. So instead of uploading the pictures into your website as like you know, just numbers and letters, whatever the picture is saved as, you want to save them as like fitness or grip fit or something relative to your content, and then Google will pick up that picture too, and it'll count as keywords. So I just wanted to go over and just Google Fitness Orlando, right? And when you scroll down, like this first thing right here is called the map pack. So this is, all these people have Google My Business pages, right? And so to get to the top of this, you really have to have like 25 plus Google reviews and your website in there and your location and all of that good stuff. See, they have like 339 reviews, 311 reviews, 64 reviews, etc. And when we go down, this is the first, these are called organic. So when you scroll down to the first organic one, let's click on this. So they have a lot of pictures, a lot of content, and they actually have like tons of service pages as well. And all of these service pages that they have, like all of that content counts as well. So I have this thing called Ahrefs, and it kind of is a software program that analyzes people's websites in Google's eyes. So when you look at yours, and I know that you just started it, but you have 0 traffic coming to your site, 1 keyword, 3 referring domains, and 20 backlinks. So a backlink is basically, I don't know if you know this or not, I know you build your own websites, but a backlink is any like, website, blog, article, anything that like references your site, which shoots people back to your website and it brings traffic to your site. So when we look at the first guy on Google, he has 6,000 keywords, 400 referring domains, 3,000 backlinks. Like, he has a lot of stuff going on, right? And I mean, we can totally get there. Like, what we usually do with people is we just copy all of their backlinks and their referring domains, all the ones that are relevant and like bring them a lot of traffic, and we copy that and then do more, and then you beat them at the top of Google. Anyways, I hope that this helped you a little bit, and feel free to give me a call or shoot me back some feedback, and I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you have. All right, have a good one.